This November, it's all about the ultimate Black Friday upgrade event at Old Mill Cadillac. We're rolling out incredible deals every day, giving you the chance to drive home the new electric Cadillac of your dreams while saving big. If it's the perfect match you're after, look no further than the Cadillac Lyriq. Leading the way into an electrifying future, the Lyriq is already turning heads and setting new standards for luxury EVs. Available now with interest rates as low as 0% for up to 72 months on approved credit, it combines stunning design, groundbreaking technology, and the sophisticated driving experience only Cadillac can deliver. If going electric has been on your mind, Old Mill Cadillac has the ideal Black Friday combo to make it happen. For a limited time, enjoy a $2,500 rebate on any in-stock or upcoming new Lyriq, plus exclusive bonuses. Trading in your Tesla? Receive an additional $4,000 upgrade bonus from Old Mill Cadillac toward a Lyriq and choose between a $2,500 rebate on the all-wheel drive model or a massive $5,500 off the rear-wheel drive Lyriq. You'll also be able to stack up to $5,000 in government rebates, plus an additional $1,200 bonus for eligible Costco members, or save an extra $1,000 on any demo model. This is your moment to drive home a Cadillac EV at an exceptional price with up to $13,200 in rebates and exclusive bonuses from Old Mill Cadillac. But the excitement doesn't stop with the Lyriq. Be one of the first to reserve an incoming Optic from the 10 arriving soon and save $750. This Black Friday, Old Mill Cadillac has the electric options and savings you've been waiting for. This Black Friday, we're here to help you step into a new era with a Cadillac EV that aligns with your unique style and passion for innovation. It's your opportunity to take advantage of exclusive Black Friday savings and drive away with a perfect ride at a price you'll love. Don't miss out on these unbeatable Black Friday deals. Head over to Old Mill Cadillac this November and let's turn your automotive dreams into reality with the best Black Friday deals in town. Your next great adventure starts here with exclusive Black Friday offers only at Old Mill Cadillac.